Hi, it's Lauren again. I'm so excited to be back making another video. I wanted to thank you guys for all your comments and requests for videos. So today I decided to bring you guys a Halloween look, something that would be just totally unique and different than what anyone else would be doing. This look was inspired by my daughter had a crazy hair day at school, and we decided to do a bird's nest hairstyle. So I decided to add an eye makeup that I had seen Layla do, and I thought I would make it a little bit more dramatic for a Halloween look. And this is part one of a two-part series. If you want to see the hairstyle, I'll put a link in the bottom bar and you can watch that. So if you want to see how to do this makeup, keep watching. So the colors I'm going to be using today are from my BH Cosmetics palettes. I have the Standard Matte and the Cool Shimmer palettes. And it's not so important that you have all the exact same colors as I do, as it is just that you understand that we're doing a gradient. We're going to go from the dark greens, bright greens, to some lighter greens and green yellow. These palettes are really nice because they're only about, I think, $10, and they give you lots of color options. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start off. So I'm going to use my Too Faced Shadow Insurance. I'm just going to put that all over the lid. And because I'm going to be going out past my lid, I'm going to put a little of it out here as well. Now I'm going to take just a little kind of eyeliner brush, and I'm going to dip it in my darkest green color, and I'm just going to start at my crease. And I'm just going to be looking to the other side to try to balance my leaf shape so that it matches my other eye. I'm just going to use short strokes to draw the leaf shape. And I'm going to bring it down. And normally you would be drawing your eye line straight up like that, but because of it's a leaf shape, I'm going to bring it down a little bit rounded. Okay, so now I'm just going to take this kind of small brush where I can fill in the colors, and I'm going to take my darkest green color and just start filling in the corner. I'm going to pack the color in just by pushing it into my skin so I can get a nice dark bright eyeshadow color. I'm gonna wipe off my brush and I'm gonna dip into my bright green color. And start bringing that in. And just blending that with the previous color. I'm going to dip into my pastel green color. It's kind of a spring green. Just going back over and reapplying some of my other colors, reblending, just brightening them up. I'm going to use my yellow green in the corner. I'm going to blend it into the line that I traced for my leaf shape. And try to blend that line out all the way across. I'm going to go back in with a little bit of black on the corner. Darken this edge a little bit. I'm just adding a little bit more of the dark green to mix that in with the black, so I don't want to lose my green. I just wanted to deepen that corner. Okay, so I'm gonna do a winged eyeliner now. I'm using L'Oreal Infallible Lacquer Liner in black. Now I'm going to curl my eyelashes before I put my false eyelashes on. Okay, so I always put mascara on my real eyelashes to make them blend in with the false eyelashes. And then I'm going to go back over with some more gel eyeliner to cover up that false eyelash line. I'm also going to line my waterline on the bottom. Now I'm going to be using this color right here. It's just kind of a light, bright, shimmery green. And I'm going to bring it right under here. Right on the inside, and then just bring it up a little bit in the corner. I'm also going to go in with my dark green, my darkest green color on this side, and blend those two together. And I'm going to bring this line up to meet my leaf shape, just like that. I'm gonna put mascara on my bottom eyelashes. I'm also gonna go in with a shimmery white right under my eyebrow. Just fill in all that empty space, going all the way down. Now I just need to wipe off some of the fallout of the eyeshadow that fell underneath. If you need to, you can go in with a cotton ball and some eye makeup remover. Now I'm going to take some of this is called Revlon Skin Lights Instant Skin Brightener. And this is just kind of a shimmery foundation. It's darker than my skin tone. I'm just going to take a little bit of that and I'm going to dab it underneath my eye and I'm going to bring it out on the top of my cheekbone, and I'm just going to start blending that with a sponge. To create this really, really shimmery look right under my eye. And then I'm going to use some shimmery bronzer right on my cheekbone. And that's the eye makeup look. So then I just finished it all off with a lip gloss. I'm using MAC's See-Through, and I like to always do like a really light lip when I'm doing a really dramatic eye makeup. So as I said earlier, this is part one of a two-part series. The bird's nest hair tutorial will be in a link in the bottom bar. And thanks you guys for watching. Go ahead and subscribe and comment and let me know what videos you want to see next. Thanks, bye!